Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can immediately move to the central square in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to go there quickly, we can use bus. First of all, you can find a bus stop like this. You can take a look at the map. Okay, this is the bus stop and I'm already here, and then we can click on the bus icon, and then I'm going to select the central square. Okay, and then I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, we're on the way there. Alright, and now I'm already at the central square, and this is the bus stop at the central square. Okay guys, and that's how we can immediately teleport to the central square in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.